Hi, in this video, we're going to show you a way to adjust what happens with the taskbar in Windows when you drag an open window over it. So normally it goes behind the taskbar, so we're going to show you a way to have it go over the taskbar, and it also has another interesting option that you might want to use. All right, so to accomplish this, we're going to be using the free WinHawk app. So if you've never used WinHawk, what you do is you install WinHawk, and then you add what are known as mods into WinHawk, and then these mods can change how Windows looks and operates. All right, so we have WinHawk installed here. So when you install it, you'll have your home section with your installed mods and featured mods. Then you have the Explore section where you could actually search for some other mods here, filter, sort, and so on. All right, so what we're going to be doing is doing a search for Taskbar Z-Override. Then once you find it, click on Details and Install. And then you'll always get this Proceed with Care pop-up when you install a mod in WinHawk, so that's normal. So we'll click on Accept, Risk, and Install. Now if we go home, we have it in our installed mods, so we could enable it, disable it, remove it, go to Details, enable it, disable it from here, remove it from here as well. All right, so this one does have some settings. So right now it's set to always on top, which is the default. So you can see it's on top of any open window. So we have an option here to have it always be at the bottom. So click on Save Settings each time. And now you can see it's always at the bottom, so all your windows will go over the taskbar. And then there's another option here, which is behaves like a normal window. And when you click on this one, you'll see that it's kind of the same, but I'll show you the difference here. All right, so first let's go back to always at the bottom. Let's have this cover the taskbar here. So if we click on something down here, for example, you can see it pops up the menu, but our open program here stays on top of our taskbar. So that's what the always at bottom option will do. And if you choose this one here, behaves like a normal window. Now you can see when we click here, it puts the taskbar temporarily over the window. So it kind of shows the taskbar again once you click on something down here on the taskbar. So that's just a nice little extra option there. And we click off it, it's back to covering the taskbar again. And then if you change your mind, just come back here, change it to always on top, and you're back to normal. Or you could come back here, temporarily disable it when you don't want to use it, and actually remove it if you don't want to use it. All right, so on a side note for WinHawk, it needs to be running here in your system tray for your mods to work. So if they ever stop working, come here and make sure it's down here. And if it's not, just restart WinHawk and it should put it back. Plus, WinHawk should be set to run with your computer when it starts up, so you shouldn't have to open it each time. All right, so I'll put a link in the description where you can download WinHawk and then just do a search for this Taskbar Z-order Override mod, install it, and that's all there is to it. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.